Welcome to Season 2, Episode 16 of PlaneSavers! Oh, I guess the door doesn't open that way. That's the least of our issues, folks. The title of this episode is not clickbait. We have ran into a major issue with the plans and something that we've been working on for the last few days. We've been working on this. This is the old wing spar, and we're building a new wing spar, but we've ran into some issues. The best way, I think, is probably give me 60 seconds to just do a flashback and see what we'll get you guys caught up, and then we'll come back and I can tell you guys what the problem is. So let's put 60 seconds on the clock and let's go back in time to see what we've been doing. Check this out. So here we go. So here's the Sands blueprints showing the fourth wing.
Our spar went right there. Right now we have our sheet of 2024 1/16 of an inch thick. We'll draw on it with our fancy tools.
It's pretty hard to see on camera, but we're gonna cut it.
Perfect. So we have the two lines to bend that U right there. Boop.
But we've ran into a problem.
It starts ripping the plastic. It's way too small for this kind of thickness. It breaks, it tears.
We gotta get that off to Red Deer. Red Deer has all the metal work. They can do the bends for us.
Right.
So you have about 30 minutes to wrap that up and send it to Red Deer. Do you think you can make it? So what exactly happened? Well, we shipped the piece to Red Deer to be bent. It arrived, but Mark, our main metal guy, one of the best Warbird metal guys around, he phones us and says, well, you know the 063 aluminum, you want the 1/8 radius, this bend here. You can do it, you can physically do it, but it's not best practices, which means the drawings may be wrong. So yeah, what does that leave us? Like, we built a part to a drawing that may not be correct, so we have to call in the boss and see what he thinks. So if things couldn't get any worse, look at that, folks. Look at that. Kitty? You're not helping progress, Kitty. Yes, Jasper the cat ate the tip of one of the wingtip ribs that we specifically got cut with a very expensive machine and those little teeth marks. So,
It's okay.
Kitty,
okay, Jasper. It's okay.
it's just one of those days, folks. All right. So we got a call from Red Deer saying they can't do this radius on this aluminum.
Yeah. So basically, what you can't do, and it's basic standard practices. 1/16 aluminum is 0.625.
Yeah.
Select 063 2024 T3 box. They want, that's this one, they want this dimension and a 1/8 radius. A 1/8 radius on 063 is not obtainable. It would have to be, I don't even know if you could do it with old condition and then heat treat it.
I did do a sample with the 063.
Yeah, you can do it,
Yeah.
but you don't know it didn't crack.
Yeah. Don't know when.
It's gonna crack.
Yeah.
So, Rod, are you saying that this design isn't to
Standard operation,
practices?
No. So what they did is this a real?
No, this
Fokker?
is the Sands replica plans right here.
Moving forward, if we just check with Benjamin here, if there's nothing that has to go in the center of this,
Yeah, there's the axle, which is right there.
yeah, so it's gonna be like this.
Yeah. They're in the-
Then I would bend this at a standard practices bend radius. It could be 1/4 or 5/16. I'm not sure. You'd have to check the standard practices book. AC 4313 is the Bible for doing this stuff. What is this piece?
That's 063.
Go. What is it for?
It was just to test.
Why
With
the fuck would you use a piece that big to test it?
It's
This shit isn't free, you know. That's a huge chunk of 063.
I'll cut it. I'll cut the radius here. It's gonna be.
Use it for something. For Christ's sakes.
Alright.
If I ever find you cut into the middle of a sheet and cut a circle out of it,
Yeah.
she's all over. Look at all this shit.
There you go. That's the new design for the spar. It's gonna look something like that. Success. Alright.
Charge for fuel burn? I don't know. Okay,
Yes.
this is the new design.
The new design with a quarter radius. 4
Okay,
times. 160.
where's the old drawing?
It's over down the wall.
Okay, let's go do this. So, this aircraft is an amateur-built aircraft, right? But you're no amateur. You went to school, and we don't strive to be amateurs. So the original design for this box section shows a huge U at 1/8 radius, which is not accomplishable at 2024. This design with 2 U channels and 2 side plates is going to be stronger. Once it's boxed in, what is this? What is this? Wood?
Yeah, wood.
So this design here, upgrade, is actually doable and complies with AC 4313. So do it this way. It'll be
Good.
better and repeatable.
So what do you think about his drawing?
I don't know how he drew this because I don't even see any tangent lines or bend lines or where even. I mean, how did you do this? You must use a computer.
Yeah, on the computer. Yesterday and even.
Bend
Yeah.
against the bend, but the other way it will.
Yeah.
But in this case, you're going to reinforce that. So whoever built this had an idea that I don't think will be as good.
Okay, so now here's the point. Drawings are good. Now how do we take the drawings and put them back on the metal?
So, I did take the panels and the 2 U's that I made flat, and I printed it two times. Then I'll just it's not the center. I think it's like just you add the radius, right?
Yeah, whatever you want them to do, they'll do.
Okay, good. So yeah, depending.
But if this is a flat and that's a flat, I mean, they can figure it out if you want, or you can tell them.
Okay.
It's the center of the radius, and they'll have, but they're used to their break and that.
Right.
So they'll do a test run to make sure that they get this proper.
Do you think with those 2 lengths they're gonna be all right?
I think so.
All right.
They should know.
I'll let them know. That's like the flat.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And it might change because they're going to bend one side, turn it around, and bend the other side. So these just one
Right.
might be off, and
Exactly.
one might be off. But that depends on the person that's
does
running
it?
the brake. Or, you know what I mean?
Yeah, the sight line. So those goes like that.
Okay, so Benjamin, just like a repeat from the last episode, we got what time is it now? We are 11:30. Do you think you can have these built
Yes.
on the plane tonight?
Yep.
All right, sounds good. Benjamin, what are you up to?
So I'm gluing the templates with the Air Super Glue, Super 77. So I'm gluing the templates, and it's gonna be really easy then to drill the holes, cut to the good size, all of the side panels and the U's, and then Red Deer is gonna have their sight lines for the bend, which is gonna be really nice.
What do we got here?
So I have the drawing I've shown Rod, and I'll write some notes on it for Mark Red Deer, so there's no confusion with anything.
So what you doing?
So I'm marking the two parts we're sending to it there, which are the two U's. So the bottom and the top one, with the side panels are gonna be made here. In fact, they're already made. Just need holes, and we're good. So, need to drill the
What do you think, William? Be safe?
We'll be safe.
perfect.
Round 2.
Round 2, hopefully the last one.
So hopefully you guys liked that episode. Sorry, episode before, I think it was episode 15, is complete and utter waste. Hopefully we'll make it up here with episode 16. So best of luck. Hope you liked everything today. If you guys like this video, you like all this extra behind the scenes stuff, this is exactly what it's like every single day. This is a pretty accurate representation of working on something and then it not working out. But yeah, we're here. William, one last goodbye. One last goodbye.
Good night.